Hi, this is Lea Holman. Here I'm painting Max. He's 3 and very wiggly. We've started by loading a 1/4-inch angled brush. I use the first 2 colors of Tag Dragon. Here we make the body and the arm of the excavator. Next we'll add this 1 stroke on the eye. This will make the middle of the tire. So for the tire, we'll use the same brush and load it up with Wolf Black. You want to go skinny on the top of the eye and then go wider around the edge, on the outside edge and the inside edge, and then skinny again on the bottom. This will make that nice tire shape. Some little ones don't like paint on their eyes, so you could always use a powder instead. Next we'll make a moon shape with the black to make that digger. Also, on the very end, you want to make the teeth. Now we're going to outline our truck. Along with the outline, you want to add circles for the joints. That means every time you see an angle on your truck, you want to add a circle. This adds some detail into the truck. This is something you can leave out if you have a very little one. Next, we'll outline and make the roof of the cab of the truck. By this time, the tire around the eye should be dry. Take the Wolf Black and add little lines around to make the tire treads. This is a great place to leave it if you have a long line. If you'd like, you can add a white outline. This really makes the design stand out and make it more bold. If you have an impatient little guy, you can just leave it without. You can do this design in any color. It's also great because it doesn't take a lot of time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to see more like this.